In this video, I will explain the new IQJET job concept. Previous printer types, such as Jet 2 Neo or Jet 3 Up, stored all information about the content and appearance of the printout, as well as the type of speed detection and print go signal in the job file. These sample images show the user interface of a Jet 2 Neo. The settings are divided into several tabs. With the IQJET, these settings are now divided into two separate areas. All information on the content, appearance, and behavior of the printout is stored in the job file. All information about the type of speed detection, the print go signal, and other machine and application-specific settings is stored in the machine settings. You can store several different machine settings in the printer. You can see which settings are active above. You can also save the current settings or load other machine settings. What are the advantages of the new job concept? The job file is now system and printer neutral. You can transfer jobs to other IQJETs and use them without further adjustments. You can create a central job pool where you can manage all jobs for your IQJETs. When you make changes, you only need to adjust one job. You no longer need to maintain multiple jobs. If you want to use a print task on another machine, just transfer the job file from one printer to the other. If you want to move a printer with the same print task to another machine, just move the printer to the other machine and transfer the file with the machine settings from the printer previously used to this printer. You can use your existing jobs for your new IQJET printer. Simply transfer the job file to the IQJET. When you copy a job file to the IQJET automatically converts the job file to the new format. It also saves the previous machine settings in the job file. In the compatibility options, you can select which machine settings you want to use for the job file. This setting is saved in the job during the import and cannot be changed after the import. If you have selected the option Adopt Setting from External, then the printer will use the machine settings from the job file. If you have selected the option Retain Printer Settings, then the printer will use the machine settings from the printer. IQJET job files cannot be used on other printer types. These are the basic things you need to know about the new IQJET job concept.